Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where camera is not working on your Windows or laptop camera is not working. So please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix this. So let's go quick into the process. First is click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on privacy and security. That's under accessibility, the one with the shield symbol. Simply scroll down and under App Permissions, click on Camera. Camera Access, make sure this button is switched on, or if this is switched off, then you have to switch this on. Let apps access your camera, make sure that this button is switched on, and also for all the applications that will use your camera like Skype, Google Meet, or any other applications that needs to access your camera, you have to switch the button on. Once done, close this. In the Windows search bar, type here camera. Right click on it and then select app settings, or you can simply click on app settings in the right pane. In here app permissions, make sure that this is all switched on. Background app permissions, do not choose never. It could be always or power optimized. I'll just go with always. Scroll down and you'll find repair button. Click on repair. Now once you click on repair, then reset the application. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, but you have to click on reset. And once you're done repairing and resetting the application, close this window and then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Next method is in the Windows search bar, type here device manager. Click on that. Then here in the device manager window, if you cannot find your camera driver right here, you have to click on your laptop name, click on action, and then click on scan for hardware changes. You have to do this for like 3 times. And also click on this view and then click on show hidden devices until you can find your camera driver. Click on this arrow, right click on your camera and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and then just simply make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. Once you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the problem has been fixed. If in some cases still the problem is existing, go back to the same device manager window and then look for your cameras. Right click on your camera driver and then select disable device. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Click on yes. And then wait for some time. And then make a right click on it again and then select enable device. Now once done, simply close this window. And also we need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, on the list of options, click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button and check for updates. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Once done, close this window and then just make a restart again of your Windows. And if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.